Today we're bringing the fun vibes to our gazebo with the help of our new Tiki Torch. That's also a Bluetooth speaker. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to have you jamming in no time. Inside the box, you have your user manual, your stake, a hanging mount, a hanging hook, a USB-C charging cable, and then your flame speaker. If you flip out the front tab, you can find the charge port. Then on the other side, you have a little subwoofer. On the bottom, you have a little tripod hole to mount your speaker. On top, you have your light button, power button, and media controls. You can also find a handy little handle to help you handle your candle. If you push the light on top, you can actually turn this into a safe, candlelit lantern to light your area. This works with or without the speaker being on, and actually lights a decent amount of space. But most importantly, if you power on the speaker, it'll enable pairing mode, and you can connect to your phone. Then, you can get your jam on, or listen to your favorite ebooks or podcast while you relax in an area with cool vibes. You can use the hook to hang it up out of the way, or you can even mount it with the mounting bracket. But I like the garden stake option. The bottom piece of the stake screws right into the base plate of the speaker. Then, you stack the rest of the pieces of the stake together, and you're ready to stake it down. Push it into the ground, and you're ready to kick back and relax. Now, to avoid copyright, I downloaded some royalty-free music to my phone to demo the speaker. This is the speaker at 100% volume. Honestly, for the price, it sounds really good. I already have an expensive Bluetooth speaker, about 3 times as much, and it definitely sounds better. But now, I can leave my expensive one inside, and this one outside, ready to use whenever I want. No more lugging speakers around, as I have one wherever I need it. And for the record, here's my expensive speaker at 100%. And again, the Tiki Torch at 100%. Sometimes outdoor waterproof speakers will have muffled sound, but this one gets more than loud enough for my small gazebo. The sound has some bass to it and has a bit of depth. Given that it's Ip65 Waterproof, I'm definitely satisfied for the price. Now I can listen to music or podcasts while I'm outside whenever I want. It has a long playtime of 15 hours, and that dancing fire LED is so comforting to hang around while you listen to your favorite stuff. So if you're looking to bring the fun vibes to your outdoor area as well, this Tiki Torch Bluetooth speaker might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go relax outside and listen to my new speaker. See ya!